Hello everyone, it's me Gagan Kumar present over here to teach you physics. Let's move on to the video. Today we'll be discussing NEET and JEE MCQ on vectors. So here question is there, given three vectors A vector, B vector and C vector are such that A dot B is equal to 0 and vector A dot C is equal to 0. Then they are asking vector parallel to A is what? So here some vectors are given. So how to find this? Now first of all, here you take a product. What product you take? Vector triple product. Suppose I want to write A cross B cross C. If I want to write A cross B cross C, then what will happen here? Now I will get the answer as back B vector into A dot C minus cab. Cab means C vector A dot B. So remember one shortcut formula. If it three vectors you are taking product A cross B cross C, then it will be how much? Back minus cab. Now here you see it is given A dot B equal to 0. Here A dot C equal to 0. So that means this will become 0. This will also become 0. Then here what will happen? Right hand side total becoming 0. Then here what I can write? A cross B cross C is equal to 0. If A cross B cross C 0 means this is suppose one vector, this vector you take, suppose this is your x vector. So that means this A vector cross x vector, what happening? The cross product coming 0. So when cross product comes 0, now whenever theta is 0, theta means angle between A vector x vector is 0, that time what happens? Your A cross x or A cross this total B cross C will become 0. Theta 0 means what we can tell? Now two vectors are parallel. Two vectors are parallel. Are you understanding? That means this x vector is nothing but this is your B cross C. This is what they are asking here. They are asking three vectors is there, certain conditions are there. Now they are asking then vector parallel to A is what? Now vector parallel to A is nothing but that is your B cross C. I hope you understand. If you remember this formula, then immediately you can solve this question. Remember always three vectors multiplication, that cross product rule basically. What is that? Back minus cab. Remember this formula? Back minus cab. Back means B vector bracket A dot C minus cab means C vector into A dot B. And here conditions are given, substitute and get the answer. And always remember if theta is 0, then cross product equal to 0 and this both vector will be parallel to each other. So here answer will be C. Now come to the next question. Now here it is given A vector and B vector are two vectors. Theta is angle between them. And if A cross B equal to root 3 AB, A vector actually it is A vector dot B vector you can write also. Then value of theta is how much? So this is actually angle. Theta is angle between A vector and B vector. Now take the condition here. What condition given? So condition is given A vector cross B vector mod equal to root 3 times A vector dot B vector. Now A vector cross B vector mod how much? That is here AB sin theta. And what is this one? That is root 3 times AB cos theta. Now here remember A dot B is AB cos theta and A cross B mod is AB sin theta. What is theta? This theta is nothing but this one is theta. Theta is angle between A vector and B vector. Now here you see A will get cancelled, B will get cancelled. Then after cos theta will come left hand side. So sin theta by cos theta equal to root 3. And remember sin theta by cos theta is nothing but it is tan theta. So tan theta equal to root 3. And here if theta value will find, so theta is how much? 60 degree. Okay, remember tan 30 how much? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 and tan 60 degree is how much? Tan 60 degree is root 3. Okay, so if also they are changing the question here 1 by root 3, here suppose they are writing 1 by root 3, then answer will be 30 degree. But here they have written root 3, so answer will be 60 degree. Okay, now if angle between two vectors A vector and B vector is theta, the value of the product B cross A, B vector cross A vector dot A vector is equal to how much? Now see here what they are telling, Now telling here two vectors are there. Suppose this is your A vector and this is your B vector. Angle between them how much? Theta. Now if I will tell here what is A cross B, now A cross B will be upward direction. Always you have to use right hand thumb rule. So you take all fingers in the direction of A, because I am finding A cross B. So you take here A, then call towards B, then thumb will be up direction. So I can write it is A cross B. Understanding? And here if I want to write B cross A, so B cross A will be how? Now it will be opposite to A cross B. That means B cross A will be like this way. So this is your B cross A vector. Understanding? This is your B cross A vector. Now see, this B cross A vector is perpendicular to A also. This is also perpendicular to B. Remember, B cross A perpendicular to A also, perpendicular to B also, and perpendicular to this plane. Okay, if you will consider a plane here, then after it is perpendicular to that plane containing A vector and B vector also. So here you see B vector cross A vector is what? That is perpendicular to A vector. That means if any two vector, suppose A vector is perpendicular to B cross A, if A vector is perpendicular to B cross A, then what will happen? Now angle between these two will be how much? Theta, or you take suppose theta prime, which is nothing but 90 degree. Because if two vectors are perpendicular, then angle between them 90. So between these two, how much angle? 90. Now you see, they are asking to find the dot product. They are asking find what? Find B cross A dot A vector. So if B cross A dot you will find, if dot product you are finding, and if angle between these two is 90, then answer will be how much? 0. If you are not understanding, again I am saying this B cross A magnitude will take here, B cross A magnitude and A vector magnitude, then after you will do cos theta prime, because theta prime is angle between A vector and B cross A, which is 90 degree. Now if I will put theta 90 here, then theta prime 90 here, then this will become 0. If theta prime 90 I will put here, this will become cos theta prime will become 0, then answer will be 0. Now check option, this option not correct, so this answer will be correct. So answer will be D. Understanding? Okay. Now come to the next question. So here it is given, if vectors A cross B mod means magnitude, is equal to root 3 A vector dot B vector, then the value of the vector A vector plus B vector is what? Just now we solved this question, we solved just now in the taking, if this condition is there, then theta is what? Angle between A and B, which is 60 degree. Theta is angle between A and B, which is 60 degree. And A plus B, if I am to find, A vector plus B vector mod, remember this is the magnitude of addition of A vector and B vector. So which will come how much? A square, that means A vector magnitude square, B vector magnitude square, 2 times A vector magnitude, B vector magnitude into cos theta. What is theta? Theta is angle between A and B. Now here theta value how much? 60 degree. From where it is coming? It is coming from this condition already we have derived in the question number 2nd. Now here I will put here 60 value directly. So here it is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 60 degree. Now root under. Now here how much coming? It will come A square plus B square plus 2 times AB. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is half. Now here 2 will cancel to 2 and root under also there. Now here how much coming? It is coming A square plus B square plus AB to the power root. So root is there. So here you can write little A square plus B square plus AB to the power 1 by 2. I hope you understand, simple thing. Okay, if you are starting from this question, from this condition you have to find 60 degree, but I am not finding 60 degree because I remember from the question number 2 I solved already. From this condition 60 degree will come. Now this 60 degree value I will put it here, and from where it is coming, it is a resultant vector. A vector plus B vector mod is nothing but this formula. Then after you are calculating by putting the theta value. Now here you see, so this is your what? Answer. Now check with options. Here it is given A square plus B square AB to the power half. That means this will be your answer. I think option A will be your correct. Okay. So other things no need to check. Here root 3 is there, here root 3 is there, something, this will be not correct. So answer A will be correct. Now come to the next question. So here telling the resultant vector A cross 0 will be equal to what? So it is given 0 and it is given what? A, it is given 0 vector and unity. Remember, when cross product you are taking, okay, A with another 0, suppose you are taking cross product, that should be a 0 vector also. And here whatever answer will come in cross product, always the result is what? Now result is a vector. Remember, whenever cross product is there, result is what? Now result is a vector. If result is a vector, then here what coming A cross 0, anything multiply with 0 is 0, so 0 will come, and as cross product is there, vector will be there, that means result will be vector. So 0 plus vector, then what will come answer? 0 vector. So what is answer here? Now here answer will be 0 vector. Okay, so by mistake you don't put 0 answer. Okay, 0 won't be answer. It is 0 coming, but due to cross product, the result is always vector. So that's why answer will be what? 0 vector. So be careful about this wording. So sometimes they can ask also. So this is your answer, option C. Okay. I hope everybody understand. We'll upload some more videos on this. Keep watching the video. Thank you all of you.